Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori and I have got the BOXYCHARM. This is the base box for November. This one here, oops, this one's my daughter's. So we're going to do that one first to get it out of the way because she'll probably be here in the next day to pick it up. Anyway, again, this is my daughter's. I never know. Sometimes I always forget what she picks. She gets the base box, which is $25 a month. BOXYCHARM is a 3-tiered beauty box subscription. You can get the base box, you can get the premium, or you can get the LUXE, which is an upgrade to the base and replaces the base. All the different prices will be right there on the corner of the screen, right up here. So you do get a card that comes in your box. On the back of your card is a list of all the items that are inside your box. Not that are what everybody else is getting, but what you have inside your box. Let's see what, I'm telling you, it's these eyes are crazy. I have my contacts in and I'm questioning whether or not I put them on the wrong eyes. I don't know. Her variation is 002. So, all right, here we go. Let's start off from the first one. She has, we're just going to go right off the card, okay? This is by Violet Voss. This is the Violet Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette, and it comes in at $37. This one is a Boxy exclusive. Now, I am seeing a little bit of upset in the comments on Instagram that they didn't get the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, or that it wasn't offered. I'm not sure what, but you can't make everybody happy, and that's the hard part with these subscription companies. This is the Pro Series. I don't. I have a ton of Violet Voss. I don't have this one. This is it right here. She's absolutely gorgeous. What Violet Voss eyeshadow palette isn't, you know? Real pretty. Vanilla Peach, Desert Sand, Champagne Amber Sky, Lilac, Violet Sunset, Sunset Blush, and Dusk. Those are all the colors inside this Sunset palette. I'm wondering if one of my boxes, I hope I got it. I hope I got it. I don't know. We'll see. And then I think this was one that she chose. I'm not sure. Like I said, I always forget. She always texts me and says, hey mom, this is what I chose on choice day. Because you get one choice in the base. This is Kate Somerville. It's the, for sensitive skin, it's the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Now, sorry about that. I know, shiny boxes, they're an enemy of the ring light. This one comes in at $40. It says a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. It's enhanced, non-foaming, creamy formula removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture. I have this. Yeah. Sorry about that. I know, I'm sorry. The ring light is Demon Child here. Is horrible. And then by Glow Ace. Now this is a tongue twister. Glow-osis. This next one is by Glow Oasis, and it's Mildew. You know what? I just called it several other names that I edited out. MilkDew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. I just called this Mildew. I did. Mandy, I called it Mildew. It's not MilkDew. Okay, this is also a new brand to Boxy, and man, I'm telling you, I'm using her box to get myself warmed up. This comes in at $34. Give thirsty skin a drink of MilkDew. This is pretty cool. It's frosted glass. It's like, it is like milk. It's like 2% or fat-free milk. It's all watered down. That's what it reminds me of. So for $34, this is a new brand to Boxy. And then, yes, my favorite saying, by Blink, this is the UltraVolume Tubing Mascara. I wonder if she picked that. I don't think so. $26. Blink's UltraVolume Tubing. Ooh, how pretty. This like matches the what is it? The Go-Getter. How pretty. It's a clean and vegan formula that gives an ultra long-wearing buildable false lash effect with a semi-matte finish. Its thermoplastic elastomer brush is eye-shaped with dynamic spacing and super soft fibers to give you dramatic volume and length. Well, fantastic. Can't you just put on falsies? No? Okay. 26 bucks. And then last but not least, by Hey Honey, this is Trick or Treat. Oh my gosh, we had this. We just got this. This is the berry one. Apply, kiss, and repeat. Remember this? Yeah, this is the berry one. This is the Trick or Treat Berry Lip Balm with natural tint. $23. I got this in mine. That did not change. Remember, I actually applied it to my lips and there was no tint whatsoever. So, hopefully, I mean, I know she doesn't like to wear colors like lipsticks and so forth. So she'll probably enjoy this because it does not really have any color to it or even tint. Anyway, her total value comes out to $160. Again, her variation is 002. She always seems to get like the very first variation is like within 00. She never gets anything past 10. That's all I know. She always gets like right there immediately. Boom. 001 or 002. She's pretty simple. She's pretty simple. And then of course she always gives me whatever stuff she doesn't want to use, or she says use it as a giveaway or whatever. So anyway, this is her BOXYCHARM for November 2021. And we're going to move on to the next box. So, you guys sit tight, and I'll be right back. I'll see you in that next video. Bye.